Blocking someone on LinkedIn can help you manage your connections and maintain your privacy. Follow these steps to effectively block a user on the platform. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser or LinkedIn app and log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Step 2. Search for the user. Use the search bar at the top of the page to find a profile of the person you want to block. Type their name and select their profile from the search results. Step 3. Access the profile options. Once on their profile page, look for the More button, which is usually located near their profile picture and headline. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 4. Select Report/Block. In the drop-down menu, select the option that says Report/Block. This will take you to a new window with options related to blocking or reporting the user. Step 5. Confirm the block. Choose the block option and confirm your decision when prompted. This will prevent the user from seeing your profile and any of your activity on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on LinkedIn and take control of your online interactions.